Now, coming full circle, I'm actually going to produce a link in this document, and I'll put away the destinations panel because we're done with it. I want to create a link in this document that points to not just a URL, it will, but I want to add something to that URL. What I'm going to do is actually point to a PDF file that I have hosted on a web server somewhere. Not only do I just want to point to that PDF file, but I want to point to either a specific page or to a specific named destination in that PDF file. Let me show you how to do this. I'm going to take the link tool, and in this case, I'll just add it to this logo. I'll leave it as an invisible rectangle, and I'm going to choose Open a Web Page. I'll click Next, and here's where I'm going to set this up. I'll go ahead and type in my URL, www.timplummer.com. pdfname.pdf. And I'm just using the title PDF name to represent whatever the actual name of the PDF that you're trying to point to might be. Now here's where I tell the link what part of the PDF to point to. $page equals 2. That syntax will take me to page 2. If I wanted to go to page 4, then I would just change 2 to 4. Or whatever page in the document that I want to go to. So that's how I can point a URL to a PDF file and go to a specific page within that PDF file. And if you're a web developer or you know one, it's important to realize that this URL structure is something that you can use even in HTML as a way to point to a particular PDF file and a particular page within that PDF file. Let's handle named destinations as well. I'll delete everything except for the £. In this case, instead of page equals a page number, I've used the term named dest equals name. And in this case, name represents the name of the destination within the PDF file that I'm pointing to. So obviously you have to know that, but if you create the PDF file that you're pointing people to, you can use the information from the Named Destinations panel in this URL, and you can point to a PDF file not only by page, but by destination. It's a very powerful way to take people to specific information that you might want to point them to, even if you're hosting it on the web. And again, if you're a web developer, or you know one who wants to be able to do so, that syntax is what you would use to point somebody to a named destination within a PDF file, and you can use this same structure in HTML or in any other way that you might create a URL and then use it.